next?
Hello, I'm Professor Reading.
And we're here to tell you about a wonderful opportunity.
Cash. No, that's not right. What
Toys.
Toys! Oh, toys, of course. Like this.
Like this one. This one's from our childhood. This is Stridor.
That sticker does not belong there.
I had a feeling that it had a few extra stickers. Decals, as you might call them. Now, this particular one is missing its tail, but it does have the, what is this, laser cannon?
It's hard to find one with the tail, I would imagine. That's a very small piece.
Yeah, a lot of them have the tail missing.
And this gun kind of got bent. It's like a rear turret of some type.
Keeps the flies off.
Oh man, it keeps them far away too.
It's got this awesome little arm that, it can shoot up or forward.
Is that a gun?
It's whatever you imagine it to be, I suppose.
Oh, he does have... That is probably an original decal.
Yes.
Oh, he's got a movable chair. I'm not sure why.
You put your helmet back there and your gloves or whatever.
Perhaps.
Maybe it was a smuggling horse. No, it's like, what do robot horses say? Rah, 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 rah.
They say, nay, nay.
Onward does not compute. I don't know.
Do you prefer galloping speed?
Do you
Should
think
I
he's
walk
got
at a
like
stride?
pedals in there, like a gas and a brake or something?
No, I think it's more of a sentient horse robot. Maybe they gave it enough computing ability to act on its own according to certain situations.
It's got Wi-Fi.
Or maybe it's a horse that lost all 4 of its legs and they plated it with metal and dug a hole in his back.
We can rebuild. We can make it stronger.
His poor neck never moves, though. He's got some nice looking armor on him. For an 80s series, this is like high-tech horse.
They put a lot of work into the mold, that's for sure.
They did, and you can't reuse this mold for anything. I can't imagine.
No, that's why I saw that they actually sold this particular horse in a bunch of different gift sets with a bunch of different characters over the course of about 7 years. Like,
oh yeah, they had to keep using this horse, this particular horse. They had to sell it. Sell this horse, man. No one's buying just the horse. Well, what if we offered a character with him? Hey, I'm into that.
he's into that.
He's into that. Why? I can take a horse because I have the power! Galloping speed! My name is Stridor. I will stride.
Yeah. Actually, I got this one at a pretty young age, and it was always one of my faves. It held up pretty well, and...
Yeah, I think we used a lot of X-Men for him too, though.
Oh, totally.
All
Of
right.
course, the legs don't move. That's kind of a bummer, but I never really thought about that too much when I was little.
Oh, it's not very easy to get people out of him, though.
Yeah. Pretty fun.
So, did he ever warp any? It looks like he's a little unsteady here.
The color's faded a
Yeah,
little bit, and
it's-
it's got some nicks and scratches off the paint, but
And stickers never fare well, but that particular sticker seems to have lasted quite well, considering... Oh no, that sticker did belong there. That looks very techno. So, I think the sticker that held up the least was probably the one inside the cockpit. That one's torn to shreds there.
the saddle.
Yes, the saddle. It's inside the saddle. Well, it's high tech. It's got all these buttons and stuff on it.
I still
You know,
think
it's
he's
like the
probably got
cab.
a gas pedal in there.
It's probably got a gas pedal.
And it
He's
probably has
got
wheels.
all sorts of other buttons
like-
on them.
Like rollerblades under here, because the legs don't move. It's got a...
Well, they may have come up with one that wheels later on for other toys, but he is raising an arm right here. I mean, that would be very awkward rolling. It's like, go! Why are you only striding? I only have the use of 3 legs.
Or...
Yes. That's, doesn't he fly?
He doesn't have wings.
No, but he's an 80s robot horse. I would imagine they would fly.
Maybe he has jets that come out of his feet, like...
Because this horse is perfect for NASA. He's always at a left turn. Because he's just pivoting on there. He's just pushing, or maybe he's at a right turn. If there were jets, he's always pushing that way.
Didn't use the indicator.
So that's a fun toy. Vehicles are always fun
Oh yeah.
because it's not just a toy. It's a toy that another toy plays with. All right.
They gotta have a mode of transportation too.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you remember this toy, please let us know.
Totally.
Tell us your memories and your hatred of the stickers wearing off and losing the tail. Or if you still have the tail.
If you have any extra tails, let us know.
Yes, let us know. We want that tail. And if you've ever had any stories of accidentally breaking them and just feeling awful, we'd like to know that too. And like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe.
Yes, please.
It'll really help out our channel.
help out our family too. Yeah.
All right.
Next, we've got...
Let's just get it.
Venomous. He's got venomous tongue powers.
So still yeah, okay. That's... What's up?
This particular series is on the Masters of the Universe, the original classic,
The retro.
the ancient, the one.
Not the classics, but
No.
classic.
The only classic. Before
These-
there was classics.
Well, this guy's kind of a later wave, though, isn't he?
Well, he's the last of the classic of the original series. What is that? Wave 4 or 5? 1987, I think.
Gen 1.
To cause his hands to move.